Hazrat Amra bint Abdul Rahman reports that Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha said, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam used to observe itikaf in Ramadan, and he sallallahu alaihi wasallam, after performing the morning prayer, would enter the place where he had itikaf. Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha sought his permission to observe itikaf, and he sallallahu alaihi wasallam granted her permission. She got a tent erected there. When Hazrat Hafsa radiyallahu anha heard it, she also got another tent pitched. When Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam returned after performing the morning prayer and saw 4 tents, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "What is this?" The matter was told to him. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "What good did they hit upon? Remove them, I do not want to see them." So they were taken down, and he did not engage in i'tikaf in Ramadan, but observed i'tikaf in the last 10 days of Shawwal. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 2041.